Hello everyone! Today I have magnetic screen door. It's a perfect purchase to using it in your house. It's very simple of installation. It's like 1-2 minutes of your time. It has a magnetic inside which are perfect for using with your pets, with your children. It's a perfect protection from bugs, mosquitoes and other insects. I think it's a good purchase as a gift for friends and family. You can find a different variation of sizes for different variation of doors. It looks durable and nice, and I'm highly recommend this, Yula.